Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel for more informative content about binary option trading, because you will find regularly useful videos at this channel. In this video I am going to take one trade with new modification of fractal indicator. This modification of fractal indicator is special for OTC market. Dear traders, I am using this indicator at IQ option trading platform as you are watching, but you can apply it on any platform. In the fast-paced world of binary options trading, success often hinges on the ability to identify and capitalize on short-term market opportunities. Today, armed with a modified fractal indicator and trading on IQ options OTC market, I executed a well-timed 5-minute expiration trade that yielded substantial profits. This unique explanation delves into the key factors behind the successful trade, highlighting the power of the modified fractal indicator in identifying favorable market conditions. Fractals, as popularized by chaos theory, represent recurring patterns that can be found in various forms within financial markets. The modified fractal indicator used in this trade is a refined version that combines multiple time frames and price levels to enhance its accuracy and effectiveness. Identifying optimal entry points. To initiate the trade, I employed the modified fractal indicator to identify optimal entry points based on the occurrence of specific fractal patterns. The indicator's algorithm precisely detected critical points where price action indicated a high likelihood of trend reversals or continuation. While the modified fractal indicator provided valuable insights, it was crucial to reinforce the trade's viability with additional technical analysis. I analyzed candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, and other relevant indicators such as moving averages to confirm the indicator's signals. Maintaining proper risk management was a fundamental aspect of this trade. This ensured that even if the trade did not go as anticipated, my overall risk exposure remained controlled. As you can see, I placed the trade when a long time has passed since the signal arrived, so let me tell you that this trade includes my own strategy in addition to this indicator. But you guys have to trade when you get the signal. And always check on your practice account first if you want to use any indicator or any other strategy. And always trade in a normal market. Any indicator or strategy will not work well in a resistive or manipulating market and may cause you loss. Dear traders, you can join us on Telegram where I give free signals daily. The link is given below in the description area. Once the modified fractal indicator signaled a high probability setup, and after confirming the analysis with other technical indicators, I entered the trade. Given the nature of binary options, the 5-minute expiration time frame was chosen to capitalize on short-term price movements within the OTC market. During the trade's duration, I diligently monitored the price action and adjusted my approach if necessary. This involved keeping a close eye on any changes in market sentiment or unexpected news events that could influence the trade's outcome. Thanks to the accurate signals provided by the Modified Fractal Indicator and the reinforcement of technical analysis, the trade unfolded favorably. The selected expiration time of 5 minutes allowed me to quickly lock in profits as the market moved in the expected direction. This successful 5-minute expiration trade on IQ Options OTC market demonstrates the effectiveness of the Modified Fractal Indicator as a valuable tool for identifying favorable entry points and generating profits in short-term binary options trading. When used in conjunction with robust risk management strategies and confirmation from technical analysis, the Modified Fractal Indicator can help traders navigate the fast-paced market environment with greater confidence and success. So I won this trade, and you can see how much profit I make from this trade. Thanks for watching, and wish you all a profitable trading. Good luck.